Battery blues. DJI Mini 4 Pro's 102-minute secret to nonstop fly. Ever felt like your drone is a grounded grudge holder, clipping props on branches or dying mid-hover just as the light hits gold? Picture Riley, a weekend wanderer, watching her bulky rig snag in a backpack, adventure aborted before takeoff. Hit home. Share your flight flop in the comments. Let's lift each other up. If heavy hassles and red tape are clipping your wings, the DJI Mini 4 Pro's sub 249 grams foldable freedom and omnidirectional sensing might just launch your aerial dreams. Deadlines. Their drone drops into burnout black holes, where signal drops spike stress and short flights fuel frustration marathons. Envision Theo, a content creator chasing sunsets, his old bird buzzing out after 15 minutes, leaving raw footage raw with regret. But what if a whisper of wingspan promised mastery minus the mess? 102 minutes of combo power humming harmony. The DJI Mini 4 Pro beckons that balance. 4K HDR verticals and ActiveTrack easing the edge for your sky-high hustle. Behold the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo, your pocket-sized sky sovereign that cradles a 1/1.3-inch CMOS heart, birthing 48-megapixel stills and 4K at 60 frame per second HDR epics that paint sunrises in molten silk, vertical tilts framing TikTok tails without a crop's cruel cut. Imagine Nora, a novice videographer on a cliffside quest. She unleashes ActiveTrack 360 degrees. The drone dances around oaks with omnidirectional grace. 04 transmission beaming 20 kilometers feeds crisp as mountain air, while the RC2's 700 nit glow banishes glare like a loyal lantern. Feel that visceral vertigo. The gimbal's whisper soft stabilization evoking wind-kissed whispers. Smart RTH a safety net stitching heartbeats to horizons. No reg woes under 249 grams. Pure, unburdened bliss for beginners and pros alike. Here's one way the DJI Mini 4 Pro saved the day for a busy professional like Nora. Mid-golden hour glitch. Obstacle sensing halted a tumble, preserving her pitch-perfect promo untouched. Emotional elixir? That euphoric expansion when flight feels like fate's favor, not fight. Tune in for the bonus battery swap trick that stretches your sessions seamless. Your next Vista vibrates with victory. But as 2025's wanderlust swells, this lightweight Legends combos are hovering toward sold out. Surrender to the DJI Mini 4 Pro's aerial alchemy. Efficiency soars as 34-minute batteries chain into 102-minute odysseys via the charging hub, focus crystallizing in Mastershot's automated artistry, performance pulsing with the RC2's intuitive swipe across sun-drenched skies. Sense the foldable frame's feather touch in your palm, props humming a hypnotic hymn as quick transfer zips 4K gold to your feed and breaths. A PC Mag deep dive hailed it the best ultralight drone we've tested. It's all-around avoidance, a safety symphony for newbies. Picture a travel vlogger grinning. Sub 250 grams magic, let me film Machu Picchu hikes hassle-free. Omnidirectional eyes caught every llama dodge. Users amplify. One hobbyist shared. ActiveTrack, turn my shaky selfies into cinematic sweeps. No more post-rescue edits. Thousands rave about its regulatory wink, the 3-battery bliss banishing downtime like a bad dream. Pricey for pups? Nah, the Fly More value vaults it over solo setups, reinforced by D-Log's post-play for pros on a pauper's purse. See why pilots can't ground the gossip? Which wizardry, the vertical HDR or waypoint wonders, would wing your wildest whim? Comment below. It's the sly soar above stuffy skies, with a nudge, while heavies heave regs. You're reveling in rogue reconnaissance. Wind-whipped flights? 04's rock-solid range reins it in. Your covert co-pilot for cliffhanger conquests. Flight frenzy alert. DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More combos are vanishing as 2025 creators claim their 102-minute mastery and 4K HDR horizon. A first quadcopter tester beamed, essential for intensive ops, transforms quick jaunts to pro productions at killer value. Join the flock who've fledged their footage, ditching drops for dynamic dominance. If fleeting flights frustrate your flair, this may change your game. Click now to unlock the exclusive waypoint whisper that weaves effortless epics. Comment yes for that secret tip inside. Don't just watch. Lift off and capture your legend today.